The delivery agent will contact you a minimum of 48 hours before the scheduled delivery date to ensure the day and time still works for you. These delivery professionals are fully licensed and insured and will handle your cabinetry with the utmost care. Upon arrival, they will help review delivered items for accuracy and quality. Depending on the complexity of your renovation, the installation may take several days to complete. You may want to arrange to use a temporary alternative space during this time. On install day, your new cabinets will be carefully brought into your home and installed according to the approved design. Once the installation is complete, your installer will take you through the space to ensure you are satisfied. Your new dream kitchen is backed by the Home Depot and is ready to enjoy for many years to come. This is an exciting time, and we encourage you to share photos of your new, beautiful space with your family and friends.